seen anything like this out here. Get out of the car. There it is. Over here.
What the? Y'all see this hailstone in Nebraska? Even the seagulls is like, what the fuck? God's mad, y'all. God is mad at us. Y'all better stop praying. Y'all better stop praying.
Oh my God! You go.
Someone explain to me what is happening in Fremont, Nebraska. First, they had some crazy weather. A storm that dropped giant-size hail. Take a look at the damage on the siding of this home. Then, a plane crashed, unaliving all three on board. Check this out. Breaking every window. Look at the size of this hail. It wasn't just homes that got destroyed. Take a look at the windshield.
Wait, my people. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another F around and find out video. If it is your first time into the channel, please consider subscribing, liking this video. Helps a lot the channel. Guys, what's going on in Nebraska? What is going on in Nebraska? I've seen these crazy videos. You know, the weather is going bananas over there in Nebraska.
God damn!
Hailstorm, damaging houses, cars, you know, cracks, everything. It's like God is mad of Nebraska.
Wow.
It is crazy what's going on in Nebraska. I seen crazy videos, you know, houses, cars destroyed. This guy is saying, you know, the windshield of this vehicle, it's not only windshield, you know, the body of the vehicle is going to get so many hits, you know, that cars are going to be total loss because all the dents on the body of the car. So it destroys the vehicle, destroys the fields, you know, cracks and all that. So it is crazy what's going on in Nebraska. So it looks like, you know, this is what happened when you fire.
You're fired.
Pretty much people that tells you about the weather, and now there is no FEMA to help all these people because they got rid of all those programs in the government. You know, this administration, they got rid of a lot of programs. You know, they don't believe in climate change and all that. And look what's going on in Nebraska.
Did not tell you. Did not tell you.
It is insane. You know, you don't believe in global warming. Look at this. So who's going to help Nebraska? who's going to help Nebraska? Now the orange man, who's going to blame for this happening in Nebraska? He's going to blame Biden. I bet you he's going to blame Biden. So it is crazy. A lot of these people, they don't deserve what's going on, over there, but they voted for the orange man, and there you have it.
On this person's car. An entire hotel was destroyed. Every window broken out of it. Take a look at this. Look at this. Look at the damage to this hotel. Look, every window.
Yeah.
Every window had to be boarded. This is insanity. Just look at the size of this hail. Huge. Then the sad part, after having a gigantic hailstorm on one day, a plane crashes the next. This is actual video after the plane went down. That unalived all three on board. There's a rescue boat trying to get to the aircraft. Just tragic.
So tonight at about 8:12 hours, the Dodge County Dispatch Center received a call of potentially a plane crash on the Platte River.
Just a tragic weekend for Fremont, Nebraska. I mean, coincidence? A hailstorm? A plane crash? This is just crazy. So what are your thoughts on this diabolical storm that struck Nebraska, dropping softball-size hail, damaging homes, damaging cars, and then the plane crash? Coincidence? Or is something else going on? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and as always...
So guys, let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think about what's going on in Nebraska? Like this guy was saying, this is coincidence or this is like a curse? A curse from where? From heaven? A curse from the orange man? So who knows? It is insane. It is crazy. Crazy weather happening in Nebraska. I never seen anything like this before. It is crazy.
I'd love to hear from you.
I understand screw-ups. I understand. That's not what this is. That's not what that is at all. You know what that is? That's called
Look at this. It's freaking bananas.
a fuck up. That's a oops fucky wucky. That's what that. How to read. And number 3, this one's not really that important, but it's kind of important. What in the... This one's almost as important as the first one. Why was your hand near?
Can you believe this? This is a big destruction. Now that we don't have FEMA, who is going to go over there and help these people? Can somebody tell me who's going to help Nebraska people with this big disaster that happened over there? This is something Like, where do you go when you getting like all this hailstorm, falling from the sky? There's no place to go. Like, there's a big destruction over there. Now the insurance premium, they're gonna go to the roof, because insurance company, they don't like to pay for damages. They just love to collect money from people.
I like money.
But whenever you get a claim, report a claim, they jack up your insurance premium through the roof. So this is what happened when somebody in office that doesn't believe in climate change and doesn't believe in the weather, and they fire everybody. So I don't know if this is an F around and find out video, but you tell me. You tell me. So guys, if you made it this far into the video, consider subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to like, and see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.